Hey guys, welcome to Education Hub, and today we are going to discuss question answers of deep water chapters. Basically today we are going to discuss about the question answers of deep water chapter. We have already done the summary of chapter and we have discussed about the whole chapter in detail, right? So if you want me to give more answers questions about you, I will give those, but I would request you to visit the summary of the chapter because this chapter is really very important. Let's see the few short answers question, because these questions can be asked you in your MCQs type in term 1 as well as in your subjective types too. Here is your question number 1, and question is, when did the author decide to learn swimming? Why did he join YMCA pool? Means यहाँ पर पूछा गया है कि author ने कब decide किया कि he has to learn the swimming, as well as यहाँ पर आपको reason भी देना है कि उन्होंने YMCA pool ही क्यों decide किया, right? So basically इसका दो part में answer होगा, और first part का कि उन्होंने कब decide किया swimming. So he started learning swimming, or you can say he decided to learn swimming at the age of 10 or 11 years, right? And the next part is कि उन्होंने YMCA pool क्यों join किया था. So because he was afraid of water, he was having hydrophobia, and he has researched a lot about pools, and he came to know that YMCA pool was safe for beginners who are learning swimmings, and it is about only 2 to 3 feet deep only, and that was the minimum height in which a new beginner can learn swimming. Or when he researched about these swimming pools, he came to know that जो और भी सारे स्विमिंग पूल्स थे वो काफ़ी डीप थे, काफ़ी गहरे थे, 9 feet डीप थे. So that was the thing he decided to join YMCA pool. Okay. Second question which is being given to you is, why did the author do to learn swimming at the YMCA pool? Means कि उन्होंने how he started learning swimming at YMCA pool. This is the question of yours. So answer is, the author got a pair of water wings and went to the pool. He paddled with his new water wing, watching the other boys and trying to learn obeying them. He did this 2 or 3 times on different times and with the different days, and was beginning to feel at ease. So what he did, he got water wings, means that you can say that are as hand supporters, and he went down in the pool. He started to flap his hands up and down in water. He was watching other boys how they are doing, and he started learning by watching them, right? And after doing this 2 or 3 times at different days, he started to feel some relaxation. Okay. And this is the question 2. Now question 3 which is being given to you is, why did Douglas' mother recommend that he should learn swimming at YMCA pool? Means जो author थे हमारे विलियम डगलस, उनकी मॉम ने ये recommend क्यों किया कि he should start learning swimming at YMCA pool, right? The author wanted to learn swimming when he was 10 or 11 years old. The river Yakima was dangerous. The author's mother continually warned him against it and kept on telling him the incident of drowning in it. But the YMCA pool was quite safe, therefore she recommended. Means कि वो author थे, he was in habit, or you can say he was very willing to learn swimming at the age of 10 or 12 years. So why Yakima river thi, that was very dangerous, so his mom recommended him. Describe the author's childhood experience when he was 3 or 4 years old. This question is very important because this is the base from where your chapter starts and revolves around the childhood of author, right? So this question is going to be very important. Answer for this will be, author had an aversion to the water when he was 3 or 4 years old. His father took him to the beach in California. His father and he was standing together in the surf. Suddenly the waves knocked him down and swept over him. He was buried in the water. This breath was gone. This caused a terror in his mind. So basically in this question you have been asked to mention his childhood experience, right, when he was 3 to 4 years old. So only one incident has been mentioned, that was the incident of California, you can remember like that, in which he and his family was gone to the California beach nearby, and his father and he was standing on near the coast of ocean, and when they were standing by the ocean, suddenly the water waves come, and he was very young, or you can say he was child, so he cannot resist those wave forces, and he got down, he fall down, and the breath was taken away because the waves were over flowed over himself, passed over himself, right. So this was the reason which caused the terror of is what happened one day when the author was sitting alone beside the pool. So here you have to describe the incident when a boy of year 18 around threw him into the pool, right. So one day the author went to the pool with where no one was then. uh, he was timid about going in the pool alone, so he sat on the side of pool to wait for others. The 18-year boy came there and tossed the water into the pool, thinking that the otter might knew swimming. So here see the same incident has been described, that one day he reached the pool side earlier, so he was afraid of going alone in the pool, and that was the reason he sat beside the pool, right. And suddenly a 18-year-old boy came and threw him into the pool, as he thought that he was well professional swimmer. So this is the answer of the question, where it has been described as what is the reason or what happened when the author was sitting alone beside the pool. Okay, and I hope this question is clear. Even now question number 6 to you, which is how did the big boy throw the otter into the pool. Means here you have to describe the whole scenario, means what he did and how the otter was thrown inside the pool. The big boy was about 18 years old, means जो लड़का आया था वो around 18 years का था. He was kind of busher, means he was like a bully boy. He used to bully the younger ones, and when he came he yelled means to shout at somebody, right. So he yelled, he is skinny, how do you do like to be ducked. So वो पूछता है इवन हे स्किनी मीन्स बहुत ही पतला जो आदमी होता है, वी कॉल देम एज स्किनी. So he yelled at the author that how do you know if I throw you into the pool will you feel be ducked. So right that with that he picked the otter and tossed him into the deep end. However, he later said that he was just fooling. Means here what happened, he came nearby the author and asked him that whether he knew swimming or not. But before he guessed the answer, he was thrown inside the pool. Okay, and that is the reason author was very threatened, and this scenario developed the fear in his mind. So these were the 6 questions which were very important for you, and I think these are easy ones also, and these questions involve all the important points of the chapter that leads to the continuation, right. So I hope these questions are clear to you, and these 6 questions are very important for your examination purpose. Okay, so that's all guys, thank you so much for watching the video. If you like the video, hit the like button and also do share and subscribe to my